As part of past few lectures, we have gone through details about application architecture, the relevance of RDBMS, different technologies within RDBMS, then different categories of databases, the list of data warehouse technologies, and also we have gone through details with respect to purpose-built databases. Then we have spoken about overview of data warehouse. Now let's take the example of RDBMS and data warehouse and see what type of problems these are typically used to solve. When it comes to RDBMS, it is typically used for transactions. When it comes to problem statements, these can be the problem statements. You can actually perform operations such as buy a product from retail company. It is a transaction between the customer and the company. The customer typically pays for the product and then he purchases the product from the company. Then on top of these type of problem statements, we also take care of tracking the progress of the order. We wanted to see where the order status is as of now, whether it is still in processing, whether it is shipped or whether it is delivered. Even that is considered to be a real-time operation. Typically, we use RDBMS itself in most of the cases to take care of these kind of operations in the application. Then cancel the order and get the refund. The user might want to cancel the order and get the refund. The money has to be refunded by the organization to the user if he or she cancel the order halfway through. These are the type of operations which are typically performed using RDBMS type databases. The database can be Oracle or it can be Postgres or MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server, so on and so forth. When it comes to data warehouse, it is typically used to solve different kind of problems. The end users are typically the executives within the organization. When I say executives, they are nothing but CEO, CTO, COO, director, VP, etc. They might want to see how their organization is performing, or how their department is performing, or how their team is performing, or how a particular category of products is performing. The typical problem statements can be like this. What is the profitability of the organization from the first of this month till yesterday? This is a classic use case for the data warehouse or data lake. Typically, we go to a point in the past. It need not be until the current minute. In the similar manner, it can be what is the revenue trend over this year, which means from the first of this year till probably the last day of the previous month. Which category is performing well? If it is a retail company, if it sell different categories of products such as electronics, grocery, etc., the top management might want to see which category is actually performing well, also which category is not performing so well. Like this, there can be n number of statements which the business might be interested in to get insights. Based on these insights, we build the reports and dashboards against the tables in data warehouse or data lake. Even though RDBMS and data warehouse are nothing but data warehouse technologies, even though they are used for completely contrasting purposes, there are quite a few differences as well as similarities. We need to understand those similarities as well as differences. As part of next lecture, I'll go through those similarities and differences.